Hello everyone and welcome back to another video, guys. This is Banana Choice. In today's video I'm going to walk you through how to recover back your banned WhatsApp account or number. So in case your account was banned by mistake or you encounter this in the future, then this video will give you a step-by-step guide to access back your account as soon as possible. So without much being said, let's dive into it. So guys, the first thing you need to do, you need to go ahead and launch your Play Store application. Make sure you open your Play Store application. Now search for WhatsApp. So guys, make sure you update your application. If there is any update, go ahead and update that application. Now after doing that, now scroll down a little bit. Now tap on app support and then tap on website. And then you land here. So guys, when you land here, tap on those three dashes at the top left corner. Tap on that. And then tap on help center. Now guys, when you reach here, scroll down to the bottom and then tap on contact us. Tap on that and then you land here. So guys, here when you reach here, select which app you're using for your WhatsApp. So tap on contact us, tap on that link. So guys, be required to submit your phone number. So submit your phone number. Make sure you add an email address and then you confirm the email address. And then state which device you're using. In my case, it's Android. Now here under please enter your message below. You need to submit a text that looks like this. It says, "Hello team, my account is not allowed to use WhatsApp due to spam. Kindly help me fix this problem. Thanks." And then tap on next step at the bottom. And then tap on send question. Now guys, after doing that, after 4 to 24 hours, you'll get a response from WhatsApp and your WhatsApp account will be unbanned. So I hope this video will help you recover back your banned WhatsApp account. So that is for me today. So if you valued this video, leave a like, subscribe if you haven't, and turn on notification bell icon for more useful videos. So thank you for watching. Hope to see you in the next one.